Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Somita and today I will be talking about the Nykaa Pink Friday Sale. So I have purchased few products from Nykaa Pink Friday Sale. This is a haul video. I am new to this making videos and reels. I like purchasing new beauty products. This is something that I've started only for my own interest. So I like makeup a lot. I thought why not make a video and make reels out of all this products that I already use and what I buy for myself. I see the trend and I keep on purchasing new products, new skincare brands and all. I keep on trying them. So that's the reason behind my videos and what I do. All the reels that you see on my YouTube channel, this is completely non-sponsored. By the way, I'm also on Instagram, so please check my Instagram account, which I will be linking below. Go check that out. Follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. And you can also go for the notification button, which is the bell icon. Stay tuned because I will be bringing more such long videos as well as the reels that I'm doing. Let's start with the video, guys. This is the box. I have already opened it and these are the products here. I will be bringing more such Nykaa Pink Friday haul videos. There are like lot of products that I have purchased this time. So this is the part 1, you can say. Doing part by part videos because there is a reason I have purchased it like that, because there were some offers on Nykaa and I have availed those offers. This way, if you look at how I have purchased these products, similarly if you buy such products you will get better deal on Nykaa. There was this Colorbar sale going on. There was 50% off on Colorbar, and if you purchase more than rupees 699 you would get 2 free gifts. So to avail that, I have purchased the Colorbar products. It is not like only to avail the sale I have bought these products, so please don't do that. If you really require it, then only you should purchase the products and you should wait for the sale so that you get better discount on the products. So I was eyeing on this Colorbar Made for Magic Matte Me As I Am, and this is not a new launch or something. This is in the form of a crayon pencil, and my sister had one in the shade Sabotage like 3-4 years back. She purchased it, but I don't know why I have not purchased it from so long. So this time I thought there is a discount of 50% and I wanted to try this product. The color is very nice. So this is the color you see. I'm going to swatch it in my hand. So this is the color. It's it's pink purplish color. It's actually purplish mauve.
Let me now swatch it on my lips. So this has a very nice pigmentation. The color is so vibrant. I really like it for dusky medium skin tone girls. I think this will look very nice. This is initially it will transfer a little bit, but when it dries it will not transfer.
With the lipstick I have got this sharpener. So this comes along with the lipstick. Actually the MRP of this is 9.99, which I got at 500 rupees at 50% discount. This is another lipstick from Colorbar. This is Colorbar XOXO. The MRP is 275, but I have bought it in 138 rupees. And it is also, they say that it is a everlasting matte lipstick. Let me open it. So this is also kind of pink. Nowadays I'm more drawn towards pink purplish color since it's winters, and I actually love this color and it really suits me, these type of colors. Let me swatch it. So this is creamy. It has a like
Satin finish. I will swatch it on my lips. So this is a creamy lipstick, not like the crayon one. Crayon has a more rich texture and the pigmentation is like it is deep. This is a light texture, and you know it will not give a matte finish but a satin finish. Someone who don't like a matte lipstick because it dries the lips, this is a good option for them. This is transferable to an extent how a creamy lipstick should be.
With these two, I got this two free. One is the Colorbar Made for Magic Intensely Rich Kajal. This says long lasting up to 12 hours. And this one, this is Colorbar Nail Polish Remover. So I got these two, and actually this retails for 145 and this one at 199. So I got these two free with these two lipsticks. And I have also purchased this is something I wanted to buy. This is also on 50% off. This is Earth Rhythm Glass Tint pH activated lip and cheek tint. So how does this work? I'll show you. So this is the product and this is the blush, you can say tint, lip and cheek tint. I have actually swatched it, and that's why there is a pink line you can see. So this is because I have tried it, and this works on the pH of your body. I'm going to swatch it. If this is a very like kind of a glass, you know, that Vaseline jelly type of thing, like a balm kind of feeling. So it is very light, the tint is very light, so it kind of feels like there is a blush from within. So if I put it on my face, you can see this is how this looks. So this is the side where I have put this, and it's very nice. I kind of like it because we can use this type of blush without using any makeup product, like without a foundation, on bare skin, and it will look very nice. It will look like there is something, the blush is coming naturally.
Huda Beauty have recently launched a similar kind of blush. It is Huda Beauty Icy Nude PH Face Gloss. So this is similar to that. And as per the price point, this is much cheaper than the Huda Beauty one. Please note, if you have a pigmented lips like mine, it will not show up on the lips. But on the cheeks, it is looking very pretty.
So this is how this is looking.
Here is the order detail for you to refer.
So that's it for today's video. I will see you next with another haul video, because I have purchased a lot on this Nykaa Pink Friday sale. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.